everyone, so let's see how to make this very easy DIY strobe cream at home for a glowy dewy base. So first you will need an empty container and I got these from Amazon. So first ingredient which you will need is a primer, and if in case you don't have it then go for aloe vera gel. So this is the amount you will need. Next you will need a good moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer which is available at your home. You need to take out the quantity of moisturizer according to the amount you want to make for your strobe cream. So here I have used 2 scoops of the moisturizer. Last ingredient which is really important is a highlighter. But if in case you don't have a highlighter, then you can use any good old shimmery eyeshadows. So here I'm using this spoolie to scrape out some highlighter. So I'm just scraping off these few shades which include pink, brown, mauves and champagne shades. And you can use any shade, whatever you like and whatever goes well with your skin. You just need to make sure the quantity of highlighter you are putting it into your strobe cream. The amount of highlighter will decide how glowing and how dewy your strobe cream will look. If in case you want to keep it subtle, then keep it less. If in case you want to keep it very glowy, then increase the amount. Now lastly, you just have to mix all the ingredients together and tada! Your DIY strobe cream is ready. So you can see how beautiful this strobe cream has came out. So now I'm gonna show you guys a swatch of it. As you can see here, it's blending so beautifully and it's so creamy at the same time. The primer will fill in your pore and also blurs out your skin. Second, the moisturizer will give you hydration and the highlighter will give you that shine that you need. And now you can just store this strobe cream as long as you want and use whenever you want for that no makeup look or under your base or however you want to use it. Now in the next clip I will be showing you how it looks on my skin as well. Now I'm applying this on the high points of my face, and as you can see this side of face looks glowing as compared to the side where I have applied nothing. So now I'm gonna show you the right side of my face as well, and as you can see this side of my face looks dry and not very glowing, but at the same time where I'm applying this DIY strobe cream, my skin looks healthy, glowing, and it looks like as it is glowing within. So thank you so much for watching and subscribe for more. Bye bye.